What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rob, and I'm back with another video. As you can see here, I have my Pixel 3a XL, and it has been updated to Android 10. And I want to go over a few other features that I would like to highlight about Android 10 and what's coming in future phones that's going to have this software update, especially with the Pixel 4 right around the corner. Kind of give you an idea of what's going on. Going forward though, one of the things that's baked inside, even though this phone does not have that ability, the Pixel 4 is supposed to have Face ID. One of the things that I have learned that you will be able to use Face ID not only to get into your phone, but it will be the main way to identify your phone yourself when it comes to paying for things with the Google Pay app. So they're going all in with the facial recognition in the Pixel 4. One cool feature that I've noticed is one is called Bubble. Now, certain apps, if you're familiar with the Facebook chat app, Facebook Messenger chat app, they got those little bubbles that pop up whenever somebody is sending you a message through Facebook chat. Well, you can do that now with different apps that can that will have notification aspects to it, like your SMS Messenger app or maybe your Gmail app, where you're going to get a little chat bubble that's going to pop up on your screen. Now, if you would like to activate that right now in the Pixel, you can go all the way to your system settings, then go into advanced, make sure you got your developer options cut on. Go into developer options, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to be looking for Bubbles notification. I think it's what it's called. It's called Bubbles right there. And what you would do, you would tick that little button right there on the side to turn that on. Over time, as more people develop apps that can use that little option, you're going to see that showing up as a main focus for Android 10. And since we in this area, you can scroll down a little further, and a new thing they have is theming, where you can put in accent colors. Right now you can see I have a nice little accent color working with my dark theme. You can go ahead and go into that. You have the default device. You have colors like cinnamon, black, green, ocean, space, orchid, and purple. Give you an idea of what's going on. All right, another thing that's coming that's part of Android 10 is that back in the day, you used to be, when you share your password, you used to, when a friend asks you, can you share your password, you usually have to either give it to them or write it or spell it out to them or what have you. Well, they have a feature now where you can use a QR code and allow any person to use your Wi-Fi, whoever you get this QR code to. Okay, now after I go into Wi-Fi settings, you have to choose your Wi-Fi network. And then at the top of your Wi-Fi network, you can, they have an option for share and forget. You can create a QR scan code where they can scan, get in on your Wi-Fi network without you having to give up your password. And that'll pretty much take care of that. Now, have you ever accidentally removed an app from your home screen and then realized you can't remember which app was there? With Android 10, you have a few seconds after that app has been removed to undo the change. Now, you'll find the undo button along the bottom of the screen. Just press it and bam, the app is back where it belongs. Hit remove, right there at the bottom, hit undo, and the apps pop back into place. Now, there's another feature in the phone called location control. Now, location control is finally letting you get a little bit more granular control over how an app can use your location information. Now, currently, you can give an app access to your location either all the time or not all the time. But with the Android 10, you would gain the options of letting an app access your information, location information only, while you're actively using that app. And this is to ensure you have a much more better experience from a privacy standpoint, where that app is not constantly monitoring you. Only when that app is being used is when that app can have location information about what you're, where you at or what you're doing, what have you. So it seems like privacy is the big emphasis with Android 10. Now in the privacy setting, there's now a dedicated privacy setting for each app. And within each one of these categories, you can see which app has access to things like your calendar, your call logs, your cameras, your contacts, your locations. You can go into this and pretty much eliminate what app you want from having whatever permission that is located in. So those are just a few of some of the features of Android 10 that I've been poking around, playing around with, trying to get familiar with. I'm quite sure there's a lot more. If you have discovered any extra jewels or tips, please leave them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, people. I appreciate each and every last one of you. And other than that, I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.